Sanhi ng manoy pagpapakita ng unparliamentary acts nina Senadora Laila de Lima at Senador Antonio Trillanes pinaplano manong kasuhan. Abang ito ni Justice Committee Chairman Senator Richard Gordon. Mano itong maiwasan kung hihingi lamang daw ng paumanhin ng dalawang senador. Ang ulat mula kay Marita Moahe.
Nagpahayag si Senator Richard Gordon, chairman ng Senate Ethics Committee on Justice and Human Rights, na plano nitong kasuhan sa floor sina Senator Laila de Lima at Antonio Trillanes ng unparliamentary acts.
I think his original thinking was that he will bring it to the Senate floor so that the plenary can talk about it. That was his original thinking. I don't know if I got him right.
Ayon kay Senator Tito Soto, nabanggit lamang daw ito sa kanya ni Gordon. Samantala, may definisyon naman sa Senate ruling ang unparliamentary acts.
Section 93 of the rules state that unparliamentary conduct is defined as acts or language that offend a senator or a public institution.
Maaari naman nga umano itong maiwasan kung matututo lamang na humingi ng pasensya ang isa't isa.
Apologies are always normally accepted.
Samantala, sinisimulan na rin daw umanong kausapin ni Senate President Coco Pimentel, sina Senators Gordon at De Lima.
Umpisahan ko na nga kahapon, pero sa maikling panahon lang yung pag-uusap namin. I'll try to talk to the involved persons again today. I talked briefly with Senator De Lima and Senator Gordon, pero napakikling panahon lang, separately.
Hindi naman daw ipipilit ni Soto sa dalawa ang manghingi ng pasensya at mag-usap kung ayaw ng mga ito.
I'd rather not say that. I'd rather not comment on that. Baka may ma-offend.
Para sa PTV News, Marita Moahe.
Ako po si Cathy San Gabriel. Subscribe na sa PTV YouTube channel. I-click lang po ang subscribe button.